So you guys know how some days you have an awesome brow day and other days it's like, oh, okay. And then some days it's just awful. Well, we're having an awful brow day, so just don't look at them. I mean, we're not going to talk about it. You know, it's like you start out and then it's like it's not looking right, so you keep adding more and adding more and adding more. And eventually they just look like pure shit. That's where we're at today. So hi guys, we are talking all about affordable skincare. I think skincare is an investment, and some products, I agree, they're really up there in price, but you can find really great products that are not crazy expensive. I mean, I have spent way too much on skincare for some products that no, they're not far better than others. Like, no. So today I'm going to show you these little skincare secrets, these products, and your skin is going to look better than ever. So let's hop on in. Okay, we're going to start out with a couple of cleansers. The first one is a makeup remover, and you guys, I know a few people on YouTube talk about this, but I didn't think it was like that good. It is that good. This will remove everything on your face. Everything. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You do not need much of this. I've had this for months and months, and you guys, it removes everything. Literally, eye makeup. If you have cake face, it will take it off. It is so good. This is $29.50, which I got this on sale at Ulta. Watch for deals if you want it, because Ulta always has deals. So this is wonderful if you wear makeup. The next one we're going to talk about is newer, but I absolutely love it. This is the Derma E Vitamin C Gentle Daily Cleansing Paste. Looks like this. You can use this as a mask, or you can use it as your regular cleanser. Wow, lost my train of thought. I have used it as both. I use this pretty well daily as my cleanser, and it's got a little bit of grit to it, but it is a paste. I will agree with that. I add a little bit of water to my hands, rub, and this is amazing. This makes your skin feel beautiful. You guys know, if you've watched any of my skincare videos, you have to have vitamin C in your skincare. It is an amazing skincare product. It is so good. This has vitamin C in it and golden turmeric. You guys will see in another vitamin C product, and that's what really introduced me to turmeric. If you have redness or inflammation, it makes a tremendous difference. This is $13.95 on Ulta. Right now they have them buy one, get one 40% off from the brand. So again, I'll keep repeating that. Ulta always has sales. But this is so good, you guys. It is so good. Plus, you get exfoliation from it, so it's a win-win. Now, this was the first time I ever tried an essence. This is the COSRX. I don't know exactly how you say that, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Hydro Power Essence. This I put on, I'll cleanse my skin. I put this on a really light layer. It's like the consistency of a really watery serum, but if you use too much, it can get really sticky. So don't overdo it. So this, you just put a little bit on, kind of press it into the skin, and it has a ton of hyaluronic acid in it, which, you know, especially for dry skin, is so amazing because it pulls moisture from the air into your skin. As we are into winter here, because it's so cold here, my skin has been getting drier. I have normal to dry skin. Right now we're leaning more on the dry side. So that's kind of what all of this is based around. Kind of anti-aging and drier skin. We need that moisture. So this is amazing. It helps all of your other skincare products absorb in better. It has minimal ingredients where it's an essence. It's just so good. This is $21. I cannot rave about this enough. It is so good. If you need moisture, here you go. This will hydrate the crap out of your skin. Next, we're gonna get into some serums. This year, actually, it was kind of summer-ish time, I noticed I had some melasma. It's right on my upper lip. Of course, if you are darker skin toned, medium up, you are more prone to age spots, dark spots, melasma, all of that wonderful stuff because we have more melanin in our skin. And what it is, it just overproduces, gives us spots. So I kind of did some research and I was looking around. I actually found one on Ulta from The Ordinary. This is alpha arbutin 2% plus HA. Again, hyaluronic acid. You'll see hyaluronic acids in so much of my skincare. But you guys see I'm almost out of this bottle. I just put it, I'll put the essence on, or if I'm not using the essence, I'll put this on first. I put it right here. I'll do a little bit at the tops of my cheekbones and then my nose. And I always wear sunscreen, always in spring and summer, but it didn't matter. I got the spots. This has dramatically diminished those spots. I didn't have a lot of hopes going in. I did see that this was a really good ingredient for lightening the skin. But really, I'm taken back how well it worked. This works so good, you guys. If you have dark spots, melasma, age spots, whatever it may be, put a little bit of this on. I use it twice a day. Sometimes I use it once a day, but I try, sorry, I have an itch. I try to use it twice a day, and I honestly, it is crazy, the results. Now we are back to our vitamin C. This is the best vitamin C serum I have found, period. I have used SkinCeuticals, $150 serum. I've used Drunk Elephant. I have used, what's the one? Ulla Henriksen. I'm telling you guys, I have used so many vitamin C serums. Oh, hold that thought. The Ordinary, it's $8.90, you guys. You cannot beat that. But back to this. I've used so many different vitamin C serums, and this one, in my opinion, is the best, hands down. This is the Andalou Naturals Turmeric Plus C Enlighten Serum. So again, this has turmeric in it, great for inflammation, redness. It's just a great ingredient. And this is what first introduced me to the turmeric. And you guys, this serum keeps my skin clear. It keeps it bright. Texture, oh my gosh, the breakouts aren't near as bad for me. I get a lot of hormonal breakouts. And this, I don't know how, but it's like it just keeps everything at bay. I just ordered a new one, and again, Ulta always has sales. Normally this is $25. You can get it on Amazon for $17, and I just got it on Ulta for, I believe, $16. Again, wait for sales. If you are on a budget, look for sales for certain products, you guys. I'm telling you, 100%, that's the way to go. But this serum is really a do-it-all serum for me. It is amazing. If you're looking for vitamin C, if your skin is really acting up, get this. Again, Andalou Naturals Turmeric Plus C. It is that good. Let's talk about some moisturizers. This little fella is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is 0.95 fluid ounces, which is right under an ounce, which is really the standard of not only foundations, but skincare as well. So I get it looks small. They do have bigger sizes, but for almost an ounce, this is $18. This is high-end skincare, but their prices are not bad, you guys. I've had this for quite some time. You can see there, I've used quite a bit of it. This has great ingredients. It has squalene, it has hyaluronic acid. This is a pretty, I would say it's a moderate moisturizer. It is a cream, so it's going to be heavier than a lotion, but it's not crazy heavy. I think no matter your skin type, you would be able to use this. If you need a little extra oomph, I think this has it, but it absorbs in quickly. It is not heavy. It is not greasy. This is a beautiful moisturizer. I've been using it for 2 years straight. It's really good. Now, if you would rather have a lotion rather than a cream, so you want it to be a little lighter, I got you. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. This is the little guy. I think this is like $4 at Walmart. They have a huge one though that's like 12 ounces and it's $10. So this is really affordable. This is really, really light. A great daytime moisturizer. You can kind of rub it into the skin, pat it on the skin. I use it on my neck and chest. It's really light. It does not clog pores. This has amazing ingredients. It's non-irritating. It has a ton of great ceramides and again, hyaluronic acid. So vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, love those. But the ceramides in here are great. This is just a really good everyday moisturizer. I mean, it's just really good. And my chest, my chest is literally the most sensitive on my entire body. My chest, if I put something on that's too thick or it's too scented or this or that, my chest will break out like crazy. All through here, kind of from my boobies up. I can put this on, no problem. I can even use this twice a day. The thing is, if I don't moisturize my chest enough, I break out. If I moisturize it with the wrong things, I break out. So I have found this to be amazing, not only for the face, but for my super stupid, overly sensitive chest. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these products. I know a lot of them aren't really talked about too much. Really, the only one that I've heard a lot about is the cleansing balm from Clinique. So I hope these are affordable enough for you guys. You have to remember, skincare is so important. It is so important. If your canvas is messed up, paint is not going to go over it properly. So remember that your skincare means more than your actual makeup products. You really want to take care of your skin, even if you're younger. You want to start taking care of your skin because once you get to, you know, your 30s, your mid-20s and on, then you're trying to erase things. If you start doing it now, you can prevent it. So I don't want to keep, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't want to keep fussing at you guys, but skincare is really important. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it or have any suggestions, leave them down below for me. I hope you guys subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.